Did you know that if you invested just $1 in Bitcoin in 2010, it would be worth millions today? Now that's a mind-boggling fact. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a digital frontier teeming with explosive growth and potential for high returns. This isn't your typical market though. It's a rollercoaster ride of highs and lows, a testament to its inherent volatility. But before you rush off to buy cryptocurrencies, remember that where there are high rewards, there are also high risks. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's not exactly a simple answer. Cryptocurrency, in its most basic form, is a type of digital or virtual money. It exists purely in electronic form, without any physical counterpart like coins or banknotes. Now let's talk about the blockchain. It's a kind of digital ledger, a continuously growing list of records called blocks that are linked and secured using cryptography. This technology forms the backbone of all cryptocurrencies. Then there's this term you've probably heard a lot: decentralization. This means that the control of the cryptocurrency is not in the hands of one central authority, like a bank or a government. Instead, it's governed by a network of computers, known as nodes, spread across the globe. So, to sum it up, cryptocurrency is a type of decentralized digital money, based on blockchain technology. Now that we've got the basics down, let's delve into the risks and rewards of the cryptocurrency market. As we've mentioned, where there are high rewards, there are also high risks. And the cryptocurrency market is no exception. Venturing into the digital gold rush of the cryptocurrency market, you might encounter a few bumps along the road. Let's discuss some of these potential hurdles, so you can navigate this terrain with your eyes wide open. Firstly, volatility. The cryptocurrency market can swing wildly in either direction. One day you might find yourself on top of a digital mountain of profit, and the next, in a valley of loss. This roller coaster of highs and lows is due in part to the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies. The second risk is regulatory. Cryptocurrencies operate in a somewhat grey legal area, and governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle them. This could lead to sudden changes in laws that may affect the value or legality of your digital assets. Lastly, let's talk about security. Despite the advanced technology behind it, the cryptocurrency market is not immune to hacking or fraud. Digital wallets can be vulnerable, and once your cryptocurrency is stolen, it's nearly impossible to get it back. These risks are inherent to the nature of cryptocurrency. It's a new frontier, an uncharted territory. It's thrilling, but it's also unpredictable. Being aware of these risks is your first line of defense. But don't let these risks scare you off. As with any investment, knowledge and caution can significantly mitigate these risks. Despite these risks, the potential rewards of the cryptocurrency market can be too enticing to ignore. Imagine being part of a revolutionary financial frontier where the rules are still being written. That's the thrill of the cryptocurrency market. It's a new, innovative sphere, pulsating with potential and possibilities. High returns are a major draw. When managed wisely, investments in this market can yield impressive results. It's not unusual to hear stories of individuals who've seen their modest investments multiply exponentially. Cryptocurrency also offers the potential for diversification. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, spreading investments across a range of cryptocurrencies can help manage risk and potentially increase returns. It's a dynamic and diverse market, with an array of coins to choose from, each with its unique potential. So, is the cryptocurrency market worth the risk? That's a question only you can answer. If you've decided that the potential rewards outweigh the risks, there are steps you can take to navigate the cryptocurrency market safely. It starts with thorough research. Understand the ins and outs of the digital currency you're interested in, its market trends, and the technology behind it. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Secondly, invest only what you can afford to lose. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable. It's wise to be prepared for any eventuality. Lastly, ensure you're using secure and reputable platforms for your transactions. Not all platforms are created equal. Some are more secure and reliable than others. Take the time to read reviews, check their security measures, and ensure they're well regarded in the cryptocurrency community. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is not for the faint of heart, but with knowledge and caution, you can navigate it safely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.